3 toxic identities holding you back. We see ourselves in a certain way in our heads. We play a certain role in society. We depend on our different roles to deal with our realities, at work, among friends and family, when in isolation, etc. We switch roles automatically when the need arises, especially when we have no other way of dealing with the situation. These roles are our defense mechanism and protect us. However, seeking protection under such garb into adulthood causes this help to become destructive rather than constructive. The problem is, when created in the past, they protected us, but they are of no use to us now. That is to say, they have overstayed their welcome. We are habituated with these personalities, but they are not ours really, and here is where the problem begins. Here are the 3 toxic identities holding you back. The judge. It also may be called the critic or the parent figure. This part is the one criticizing what you do or don't do, how you do it, what you say, how you say it. It is the one telling you how you should be. It is rigid, serious, and most of the times nothing is good enough for it. The judge is generally created from authority figures we had growing up, such as parents, priests, police, doctors, etc. All you have to do is to pay attention to how you talk to yourself and how you punish yourself in many different ways. Observe it and stop identifying yourself with it. Realize how helpful is it really being. How is it helping you to be and feel better or happier? The child. This is the emotional self. It's usually formed by emotions that we didn't process as children, and this part stays stuck somewhere, feeling sad, lonely, rejected, or abandoned. The child may be attached to a time of playing and not having responsibilities. All it wants to do is to play. It resists growing up or being responsible for itself. When this part is well taken care of and healed, your whole life and emotional intelligence grows and improves. The victim. The victim feels sorry for itself, helpless and powerless, has no power to choose for itself. This character is the one that feels as if the world and everyone around owes them something. It feels as if it depends on what happens out there and blames its situation or state of being on others. As you pay attention to these feelings, behaviors, and reactions in your daily life, you can start detaching yourself from those parts. You will slowly realize the real you. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.